Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Templates placement. There are different types of templates provided by SEC that will be placed according to the photograph. Types of templates. 1. Unit substation. 2. PMT substation. 3. RMU. 4. Distribution box, mini pillar. Production. Adding production geodatabase by clicking on Add Data icon. Add all features. Click on Zoom to layer on any internal template features. Create a bookmark on templates extent by clicking on Bookmarks. Create bookmark. Name it Templates. Now you can refer to templates Zoom extent by clicking on Bookmarks, Templates. Open Attribute Table of Substation. Right-click on the 1. Substation point with objected equals 1 inch zoom to selected. Using Hyperlink tool, open photograph. From the photo we identify the type of template we will use. On this case it's PMT with 4 CB/fuses. To move this template we will mirror, copy and drag. And drop on the related asset. On ArcMap click on Customize mode. Commands: search for mirror tool, drag and drop mirror feature icon on ArcMap toolbar. Select PMT template, click on mirror, left click anywhere near the template, right click on the vertical bus bar, perpendicular. Select a copy of the mirrored template and drag and drop to related substation point using. Go back to previous extent, or by clicking on keyboard the symbol and LT. All PMT substation will rotated towards street. Same method will be used for all other templates. On distribution box, rotate template to be aligned with parcels towards street.